I'm going to show you how to delete your property on booking.com. First, make sure you're logged into your booking.com extranet account. To do this, search for booking.com property management and select the first option, or simply visit booking.com and log in. Once you're in, look for the three-line menu icon at the top left. Tap on it, then select Inbox. In the inbox, go to booking.com messages. Scroll down until you find See Contact Options and select it. At the bottom of the options, look for Terminate Contract under Account and Password. Tap on it to access the termination options. You'll see choices for temporary or permanent closure. Tap Terminate Contract. You'll then be prompted to choose a reason for termination. Just select one and continue. After following the prompts, check the confirmation box and tap Terminate My Contract. This will permanently remove your property from booking.com. And that's how you delete your property.